Hi, I'm Rosen Kolev and I'm .NET Principal Architect and Office Manager in our Varna office. I've been in MentorMate since 2014. As a .NET Principal Architect, I am consulting clients how to implement different features and to use the right architecture. I am responsible for the professional development of 4 people in the company. I prepare materials and participate in a variety of internal trainings such as front-end, Angular, React, code quality and others. As an office manager, I am responsible for everybody in Varna to enjoy their time in the office and feel cozy. One interesting thing is we found a pool table at the yard and we decided to restore it, and now it's in our lounge area. I created a challenge for my colleagues to create an arcade game. I bought the materials and they built it, so we now have an arcade game. My favorite project was the first project in the company. It was a liquor store software that included a lot of communication with different devices like POS, terminals, printers, cash drawers, readers and so on, so it was pretty interesting. I was team lead at the project and the most interesting part was the communication with all human interface devices. I love playing video games. I love spending time with my son. I enjoy developing for fun. For example, one of the things I did is a mentor bot integration with Google Chat. Mentor bot relies on language understanding to provide you answers to different questions, such as what is my next meeting in the calendar, what is the current time at specific place, or provide reports for timesheets that are missed. I like reading books. The science fiction and fantasy genre are my favorite. Currently, I'm reading The Foundation by Asimov. If I have to describe myself, I would say that I am very motivated, I am calm in different situations, and I am very concentrated to a point that I space out sometimes. That's all for me. Thank you for watching this video.